That's what I'm back with today.
Thank you.
2 days ago we went outdoor climbing and my skin is so cooked from that. So
Mine's not.
mine's so cooked. No, it's because I climbed 5 days in a row and then went outdoor climbing.
I climbed 6 days.
No, you didn't. You rested the day before. Anyways, so today's gonna be a light session for me. I like how there's music. They're playing copyrighted music, so I can't get monetized on YouTube. The little brats. They think they don't know, but I know that they're the ops. They're the ops. Later, we're gonna go. Stop zooming into my mouth. Later, we're gonna go climbing. No, not climbing. We're gonna go hiking at Hwanaksan, and I'm gonna vlog that as well. Hopefully I don't keep vlogging and I don't give up in the middle.
Come on. Toe hooks are nemesis. Come on. Yeah, come on. You got it.
If you get there, just go. It's so nice. It's like the most biggest massive jug I've ever held.
Got it, come on.
We're going hiking. 2 hours. I'm being forced into this, guys. I never wanted to do this. I never wanted to do this. I never wanted to do this. No. I never wanted to do this. Water. We out here touching grass, guys. Guys, sometimes you think you have to choose the easier way out of life. I could have easily chosen to go back home because I was tired today. But you know what, guys? Sometimes the harder pathway to life is the more rewarding and memorable one. What do you think, Jungni? She's clapping for me. We were down there and Jingni was like, we can go back if you want. And I said, yeah, I think we should go back. But then we were like, you know what, let's go up. Let's just go up a bit more. And now we are gonna go up all the way. So if it's hard to think about the final destination, just
Think about a journey.
just think about the start. Just think of starting. Just think of, okay, I'll go to this distance first, and then I'll see you again.
Shoot for the.
And then by the time you've shot for the small steps, you're already up. You're already all the way at the top. Wow, I'm so inspiring, guys. The grass touching is really helping. Oh my god. It's a chipmunk. It's so black. It's a black chipmunk. Guys, I was walking just now, and like dead ass, I was walking, and then the fly just like went directly into my eye. Bro, I think I'm low-key blind now. The fly low-key probably like shit on me or something. And I'm probably gonna go blind, but it's fine. They're building rocks. Rock building. Okay guys, I know I said all that motivational stuff earlier, but now I low-key want to give up. There's so many flies, and they're all going on my new ear piercing. It's gonna get infected. Oh my god, guys, I hate nature. I could be at home doom scrolling right now, but I have to touch grass. Let's see. They say touching trees are healing. Let's see if it's actually healing. Oh my god, I just summoned a black crow from the tree touching. Okay, that did nothing. Oh my god. By the end of this hike, this double chin right here better be gone. You see this right here, this chunk of fat on my face? It better be gone. Oh my god. Guys, what? We need to go up these stairs, guys. Yay! Guys, this random lady that I spoke to while going up gave me a cucumber. A cucumber. Ah! There's so many flies, bro. Oh my god. Anyways. Yay! I just asked the people who are coming down how much longer I have to go, and then they said 40 minutes. What? No wonder the lady gave me the cucumber, guys. She was like, oh, you're not even close, buddy. You have 40 minutes left. Oh my god, guys. There's no way. There's no way. By the time we're there, it's gonna be dark, and we're gonna get kidnapped by like a pack of wolves, and then we're gonna die. And then all of this is gonna be blamed on Jingni, because this was all Jingni's idea. Okay, anyways. Maybe eating this cucumber will give me energy. Oh my god. I've never had a cucumber that tastes as good in my life. Probably because anything right now. Wait. This is Loki's hitting the spot right now. Cut mashing. Oh my god. I don't wanna. Well, guys. So, guys, apparently this is whole, but you can't even see anything. So, well, guys, we're almost there, I think. 345 meters apparently. Guys,
You're almost there. You're almost there. Got it.
Bro has said this for the past 50 minutes, bro. She said we're almost there for the past 50 minutes. Guys, how did the cat make it up all the way to the mountains, guys? How? How did you make it here? How? Oh, okay. Fuck you then. Little bitch. I don't like you anyways. B20, 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 B20. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm dying. It's looking dark. It's getting dark. It's like 7:30 right now. We out here in Miami looking for the hoochie. Guys, I came up here and it's so ugly. What is this place? This shit was not worth it, guys. We're here. We're at the top of the mountains. And I'm screaming out, gang, gang. I'm out here with my gang bang. It's gonna get dark now, so we have to go. But it was low-key worth it. This is low-key vibes. It's so quiet. You can't hear anything. Whoa. The loudest thing here is me.